Hi dear students, welcome to English class. How are you? I think you are preparing well. You carefully listening all the classes. Okay. I ask you one question, please. What are you doing now? What am I doing? Who are you? Which thing you have in your hand? Okay, these are all the questions. The first thing is, what are you doing? This is the question. What are you doing? Your answer. Sir, I am writing notes. Otherwise, I am listening the class. This kind of answer generally you give. When you say, I am reading a book, I am writing notes, by this we can understand you are doing some action, isn't it? And the second question, mine is the second question, I am asking the second question. Who are you? Your answer is, I am a student. I am a student. In the sentence, I am a student, it indicates the state or condition of a person. But in first sentence, action of a noun. In the second sentence, state of a noun or condition of a noun. In third sentence, which thing you have in your hand? In your hand, you may give answer, a book. I have a book. I have a book in my hand. I have a book. It indicates possession of a noun. Possession, that means having something. You have something. Okay. Let me write those sentences. So, according to these three sentences and answers, we can understand. First one is action. What is that? First one is action. Second one is state or condition. State or condition. Okay. Third one is possession. 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 So these are the qualities of a verb. Qualities of a verb. Let me write one sentence. I am writing notes. I'm writing notes. Some action is here. What is the action? Writing is the action. Second one, state of condition. I am a lecturer. Who am I? To that question answer, I am a lecturer. Somebody asked, who are you? I am a lecturer. So here, according to this sentence, indicates here state or condition. In the third sentence, third aspect here, possession, I have a car. According to this sentence here, subject has something. What is a car? But the link between I and car, between something is there, this indicates possession. Action, state or condition, possession. These three are indicated in a sentence by verb. What is that? Verb. V-E-R-B. Verb. What is verb? Verb is a word which indicates action, state or state or condition or possession. This is called verb, doing something. First of all, whoever asks you or you answer yourself, what is verb? Verb is an action word, that's simply. Later, the functions of a verb is state or condition or possession. But first of all, it is an action word. So let us discuss further. Okay, verb. Don't pronounce this verb. Verb. No, it is pronounced verb. It is pronounced verb. Verb is an action. Verb. It may indicate. It may indicate state or condition, and possession. SSC, SSI, possession. Now, kinds of verbs. Second one, the second step, learning this verb, kinds of verbs. Kinds of verbs. See, verbs are generally two types. Number one, main verb. Number two, auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is also known as helping verb. Okay? Auxiliary verb is also known as helping verb. Main verb is also called lexical verb. Lexical. Lexical verb. Here kinds of verbs. Number one, main verb. This is also called lexical verb. Lexical. Lexical verb. Example. Main verbs example. I walk across. I walk beside the main road. I walk beside the main road. Here, walk is the main verb. Main verb means it doesn't take any help from other words, that is called verb. So it independently gives the complete meaning to the word. Suppose I am walking across the road. This is one more sentence now. But the variation between these two sentences, in first sentence after the subject, the verb directly used. There is no helping verb. That means between subject and main verb. So that's why it is called main verb. Without taking any help of other verbs, it gives a complete meaning. But when you come to the second sentence, I am walking across the road. Am walking. Here am is helping verb. But without this helping verb, it cannot give a complete meaning. I walking across the road. Maybe we can understand the sense of the sentence, sense of the speaker, but grammatically that is a wrong sentence, incorrect sentence. I walking across the road. See what I am trying to say here, the difference between a main verb and a helping verb. Right? One more example. Sing is the main verb. Sing is the main verb. She sings songs. I mean, she is a singer. She sings songs. Here, sings also the main verb because there is no helping verb. Lexical, it is called lexical verb. The second kind of verb is, second one is helping verb. I mean, auxiliary verbs. AUXILIAR. Auxiliary verbs. Main verbs and auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs. Helping verbs. These are again two types. modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries. Here primary auxiliaries. Second one is primary auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries. See, second type of verb is second kind of verb is auxiliary verb. It is also called helping verbs. Again, these auxiliary verbs are two types. Number one, modal auxiliaries. Number two, primary auxiliaries. Examples of modal auxiliaries. Examples of modal auxiliaries here will, would. Okay. Shall, should. Can, could. May, might. Must, ought to. So these are the examples of modal auxiliaries. When you come to primary auxiliaries, these primary auxiliaries are again three types. 1, 2, 3. Number one, be forms. What is this? Be forms. Examples of be forms are is, am, are, was, were, being, So these are the examples of be forms. So be form is also a kind of verb. It comes under auxiliary verb. Again auxiliary verbs, primary auxiliaries. In primary auxiliaries, this is the first kind of verb, that is be form. Second one is have form. What is this? Have form. Examples of have forms are has, had, have, had, having, like this. The third one is do form. Do forms. Examples of do forms: do, does, did, doing, and done also. So these are the clear picture about the verbs, right, Amma? Then see once, just turn over. Let me explain. Verb is an action word. There are two kinds: main verb, auxiliary verbs. Main verbs and is also called lexical verb. Auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs. These are two types: modal auxiliaries, example will, would, shall, should, etc. Second one is primary auxiliaries. Again, these are three types: be form, have form, do form. Be forms are is, am, are, was, were, being. Have forms has, have, had, having. Do forms do, does, did, doing, done. This is a kind of verb set 1. Kinds of verbs set 1. Next step is conjugation of verbs. What is that? Conjugation of verbs. So in conjugation of verbs, these are again present tense, past tense, past participle, participle. Okay, present tense. See these three parts, this regards to actually tenses, this regards to conjugation of verbs. Here verbs are of two types again, two types. And again, regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular and irregular verbs. When you take regular verbs, past tense, present tense, past tense and past participle, and when you take irregular verbs, these are also used, present tense, past tense and past participle. See, these are also known as verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. So first of all, regular verbs. Example of regular verbs: walk, walked. Third one also, walked. See, regularly, these are called regular verbs. These are called regular verbs. So here, present tense, past tense, past participle. To form past tense and past participle, regularly the suffixes ed or ed are added to the present tense form of the verb. And likewise, second one, receive, R-E-C-E-I-V-E, receive. Second form of the verb, received. Third, also received. So regularly D or ed are added to the main verb. I mean present tense of the verb. Walk. Receive. These are regular verbs. Next, irregular verbs. Here also, example 1. Sing. Second form of the verb, sang. Third verb, sang. See, these three are different. Sing, sang, sang. Same verb, but in three formats are different because by changing the root word, root letter, root means here by changing vowel, they are formed past tense and past participle. Sing, in sing, spelling S-I-N-G. By adding I, that means by changing vowel, this letter vowel I change into another vowel A. Sing, sang. Again, this I and A are changed. It makes one more, it is used one more noun, one more vowel letter U. Sing, sang, sang. Second one, write, wrote, written. Here also the same rule is applicable here. How the verb sing is formed its past tense and past participle. Write, wrote, written. Write, I is the vowel. This vowel is changed into O and this O into changed E. So these are the verbs. Okay. Thank you for listening. I hope you understood very well. Okay. See you later. Bye. Take care.